Hello everybody! I'd like to show you today how to use the PlotData operator, which is part of the animated plots extension. It allows you to push in a data set and you get an image with a plot for the data out. So in order to use it first, we don't use the operator here, but let's just connect iris to the right hand side, press play here and get the iris dataset. Then I go to visualizations. And here I have a visualization. Let's just use a scatter plot and put A2 on color just to have something done. And then I can go here on the bottom and save this config file by hitting save. Let's save it on my desktop as example config.json. That's it. Then I use here my plot data operator and just say, okay, I would like to use this config file, and I think I can use open file here, or if I would have stored this in the repository and not on my desktop, then I could have used this config file here. But since I have it on my desktop and not in my repository folder, I can do it like this. Last modified should be on example config JSON. And that way I provide the config file from my hard disk, and hitting play here applies this on the dataset. And then I can of course use store on this file object to write it into my repository or write file as an operator to write it, well, on disk again. And then this way you can automatically write file objects or even return this object in a web service and then display it somewhere and so on. There are possibilities to use macros in there and more stuff, but for now I think that explains how PlotData works. Thanks a lot.